them, boys. I gotta take the bus.
Whoa, 23 shot like I'm Michael Jordan. Touchdown to pay like a Randall. And get to the break, give a fuck what you niggas doing. Break on the beat, leave a feeling room. Way that I walk on the beat, ain't no bad to do it. Burger my bitch, change her air to scratch up during the show. Better think before you try to do it. Bust down the play, that's an alley hoop. Switch it, it's good, now he got it, he camel suit. No cap on the beat, this shit factual. I put the gang on the map, now we national. If you ain't from my side, then I'm taxing you. My bitch, she back out a bottle like Betty Boo. Can't say her name, then my little woo. She hate when I be telling like this, she know the truth. Still a pop out like I'm bulletproof. AMG big Cartier hanging at the roof. Now on my side, now the 22. Step on the opposite product, designer shoes. Hoes on my dick, they what money do. I'm with your bitch trying to see what that honey do. Sent out for a low prayer and make it through. Phone ringing now, no, I can't wait a day or two. Walk hard got me feeling sensational. Say this your bitch, but to me she look takeable. She said that I look like a snake, told her meet in the back, ate the dick like an edible. After this, I can't chill and relax, gotta get to the bed, let me check on my schedule. To my ice on my neck, change the weather up. So icy, can't nobody big as us, gone. Whoa, 23 shot like I'm Michael Jordan. Touchdown to pay like a Randall. And get to the break, give a fuck what you niggas doing. Break on the beat, leave a feeling room. Way that I walk on the beat, ain't no bad to do it. Burger my bitch, change her air to scratch up during the show. Better think before you try to do it. Bust down the play, that's an alley hoop. Switch it, it's good, now he got it, he camel suit. No cap on the beat, this shit factual. I put the gang on the map, now we national. If you ain't from my side, then I'm taxing you. My bitch, she back out a bottle like Betty Boo. Can't say her name, then my little woo. She hate when I be telling like this, she know the truth.
First the deal when I walk in the function, I'm high with these niggas, but don't think it ain't on me. In the club with these Glock in my undies, you make the wrong move, you get sent with your homie. When we in the club, they can tell we them niggas and getting us a whole lot of money. I counted this paper, this shit keep coming. You know that I'm thumbing and thumbing. Steady popping my shit on these niggas. I know that they hate it, I'm just being honest. Had to get out my ass to go give me a bag, bitch. I ran up a check with no honors. They better free jet out the fence. If they don't let them out, then we gon' kill your honor. Pull up on the scene and we black out the whip presidential like we was Obama. Gang.
Whoa, 23 shot like I'm Michael Jordan. Touchdown to pay like a Randall. And get to the break, give a fuck what you niggas doing. Break on the beat, leave a feeling room. Way that I walk on the beat, ain't no bad to do it. Burger my bitch, change her air to scratch up during the show. Better think before you try to do it. Bust down the play, that's an alley hoop. Switch it, it's good, now he got it, he camel suit. No cap on the beat, this shit factual. I put the gang on the map, now we national. If you ain't from my side, then I'm taxing you. My bitch, she back out a bottle like Betty Boo. Can't say her name, then my little woo. She hate when I be telling like this, she know the truth.
I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, ice, baby, I got a whole lot. Nigga, you a nobody. You ain't got nobody. See niggas, they know about it. These niggas know about me. Step up on the scene, diamonds bling, these hoes scream. Check a boy, Louis V. I'm so fresh and so clean, clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans. Slap them 30s in them things. Pull the trigger, let it sing. Then go smoke a Russian cream. I got money blue and green. Drop them racks on double G's. Yeah, I'm a Gucci fiend. Feel like Tarzan, all these trees. I get so high, I can't breathe. Like LeBron, bitch, I'm a king. But I never leave my heat. Yeah, what the fuck you mean? Hopping in here, the exhaust. Hit the gate, why me get lost? Tell that bitch keep on the draw. Yeah, cause you know I want them draws. Yeah, no, you can't text or can't call. No, I got a bitch at the house. Yeah, get a hoe straight to my dog. Yeah, dunk a hoe like basketball. You know I'm all about my figures. Young nigga get in them digits. Young niggas growing gorilla. I heard you be talking that pillar. Boy, you know you not no killer. My chopper eating.
Hey there. What is? Rat? Rat racing? I wasn't doing burnouts. Okay.
Niggas for dinner. My diamonds, it make it shiver. This codeine is eating my liver. I drink mud, yeah, pouring just because. On my rose, I spent the dub, yeah, shining like a bug. Buy this shit, don't give a fuck. Yeah, this hustling in my blood. My heart cold, can't show no love. Yeah, my grandma raised the thug. Yeah, I bought them racks out. Everything got cashed out. She left a lot, I smashed out. Come get your boats and cash out. Get high till I pass out. From the back, she pass out. Pull a track, she tap out. Big Glock make her spaz out. Step up on the scene, diamonds bling the whole screen. Check a boy, Louis V. I'm so fresh and so clean, clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans, slap them 30s in them things. Pull the trigger, let it sing. Then go smoke a Russian cream.
Okay.
Try not to have too many people hanging out here because they like to feel rubber.
Okay.
Just don't deny